Compatible with all vehicle models. Drill-free, damage-free, with just simple tools. Cleanse the surface with alcohol pads first. Place the sunshade on the window frame and take out the guide stickers. Feel the two bulge magnetic points on the shade. Peel off the top guide stickers and apply them onto the frame. Then remove the sunshade. Apply the remaining auxiliary stickers, making sure they overlap with the guide stickers. Apply bridging adhesive to the exposed area. Locate the iron clips. Then remove all stickers. Place the sunshade with a click, and done. Drill-free, damage-free, with simple tools. Compatible with all car models.